Hey friends, it's Aki Dearest. Now I know that many of you, like myself, have probably been waiting only an eternity and a half of your life for Kingdom Hearts 3 to come out, so to celebrate some of that time, I'm going to kill it by making myself a Kingdom Hearts themed eat-a-bag. If you guys don't know what an eat-a-bag is, it's basically a small little pouch for you to tell everyone who your favorite waifu is. But I'm going to be making mine Kingdom Hearts theme, so enjoy. Also, I decided to throw in some Q&A, just to spice things up a little because I'm no DIY channel. Alright, let's go! Mystic Cronexia, if you got sponsored by Kingdom Hearts 3, I swear to God, I will fucking murder a goat. Dude, okay, like legit, I wish that happened, but no. But Square Enix, if you're listening to me, Disney, if you're listening to me, I'm totally open for opportunity. From Nova Punishment, what's the most important to you? Chilling with the boys, eating ass, or a good book? Well, why not all three of them? Why not chill with the boys, eating each other's ass while reading a good book? Ark and Jenny says, if you could sleep with one anime character, who and why? I'd like to share a sleeping bag with Aizawa from Boku no Hero Academia. He seems like a cool guy to be around, and he won't disturb me too much. Blanc24619 asks, what's your opinion on Sword Art Online? For example, do you also hate it as much as Joey does? I mean, I don't hate it as much as any of these other people, but I also don't like it as much as everyone else either. Hey, it's Kaylee Cat asks, okay, what's your favorite Disney princess? I'm gonna have to go with Kida from Atlantis The Lost Empire, and also can I just shout this louder for the people in the back? She's the first queen! Fuck you, Elsa! Let's go Pikachu or let's go Eevee? I'd rather get let's go Eevee. I want to see how that develops. If you can evolve Eevee, that's great. Ari Darling XO asks, do you think that any of this is for real? Or not? Well, you seem to be someone that has also been having these strange thoughts lately. Hopefully in time things will be more simple and clean for you. What's your favorite J-Rock band? Is it still Gesu no Kiwami Otome? My favorite is still The Pillows, but I also really like Melt Banana. I just started getting into them, so those are some bands you guys can look into. What's your favorite Keyblade? This one! If you could teleport to any anime for a day, what anime would you choose? Probably Little Witch Academia. I think it'd be cool to use some magic, and also, I know this is gonna be super normie, but I'd love to be in Pokemon. That drive for Pokemon to be real still resides in not only me, but you too, so don't judge me! And also Bible Black, because what? Would you rather flip Titan Aaron or watch Hikaru and Kaoru having schmecks with each other? Are you talking about the guys from Orin High School Host Club? Because if that's the case, if I watch those two doing the do and the dance without pants, I might die just from my eyes bleeding. And if anyone were to do it with a Titan, we will die. So I will go with Hikaru and Kaoru. What is your favorite game on the Switch? I really liked Breath of the Wild and Puyo Puyo Tetris. Mika Mary 707 asks, what is your favorite Kingdom Hearts game? This one! I know that sounds super normie, but I mean that was really the established portion of where you saw Final Fantasy and Disney first come together. It was a magical experience. Don't judge me, please. How big is your butt? Sorry. But not sorry. When is the last time you played Kingdom Hearts? Sometime around last week I was playing Dream Drop Distance. How do you feel about Goblin Slayer? I've seen worse. Goominx asks, what's the plot of Kingdom Hearts? I seriously can't comprehend all of it. You know, that's a very good question and a very common one. I'm sure that everyone's very confused at the convoluted plot of this entire series, so I'm going to break it down. Everyone is Xehanort, and everyone else is Sora, and for some reason King Mickey is there too. The end. 39 Wilch asks, disregarding money in space, would you rather have a cat-sized cat or a cat-sized cow? I feel like a cat-sized cow is not only easier to explain but also much more maintainable. If I had a cow-sized cat, I think things would end up very badly. Stephen Holcomb says, other than Atlantis, ooh, what is the worst world in Kingdom Hearts? Hey, don't get on Atlantis, man. I am a rhythm gamer kid, and doing the songs was fun as hell, so you can't say anything about that. But if I have to share my opinion, it was honestly Agrabah. I didn't really like it up until, you know, the final boss. That part was fine, and also the hidden boss too, but I'm not really a fan of the Agrabah world. What is your favorite position? Says Demi Kuroneko. To read in. Sitting? Sora for Smash says Spoopy Girl? I mean, I see some potential in that. I think that if he could summon Donald and Goofy by his side, he could be at an advantage. However, he could be at a disadvantage if Donald never heals him. Markiplier fan says, favorite type of tree? I prefer the wooden type. What's the best Kingdom Hearts Utada Hikaru song? Passion or Simple and Clean? You can't make me do that because it's like choosing between two kids. How about this? Simple and Clean, the English version. Passion, the Japanese version. If you make me choose one, I'll steal your sea salt ice ice cream. If money wasn't a thing, what would you want first? I would like Kingdom Hearts 3 in my hand right now. Forever Faller says, where does one purchase a tentacle? Okay, Tiffany, that's where you're wrong. One does not simply purchase a tentacle. A tentacle is something that is earned through hard years of work. Remember that. Chris Quintero says, what's your favorite anime with fan service? I like the ones that have albino characters. If you're talking about the booby fan service, I think that I've been desensitized to it. Is it honestly worth all the hype, says JT Jones? I think so, otherwise I wouldn't really be making this bag. And if you don't hype it up, then I'll steal your sea salt ice cream. Do you like K-pop? And if not, do you like, ham? Says Weirdo BTS Girl. I like both. I like K-pop and I like ham. How about you and I get together and create a group called Ham, the K-pop band. Hey, that rhymed. How do you identify a weebo? I don't know what that is, but I hope it's illegal. What's your favorite Kingdom Hearts 2 form? You know what? I prefer the anti-Sora form, even though I know Sora's fighting for light and goodness and I want him to have a pure heart. I mean, he looked so much better in the darkness. Look, just stay there, Sora. I heard they have cookies. What would you prefer Joey to cosplay as, Riku or Sora? I would like him to cosplay Donald and I'll be Goofy. What are your overall thoughts on Kingdom Hearts 3 just from looking at the trailer and recollecting all the secrets and lore from the previous games? Says Catgirl0342. Hopefully Kingdom Hearts 3 glosses over or sort of explains and simplifies everything that's happened. It's been a long time. Tetsuya Nomura, I know that we should play all the games, but I think there's a lot of people that would like just a little bit of reiteration. And if not, I'm still looking forward to it just based off of the gameplay and everything. A lot of it seems to still continue from the older games as far as gameplay wise, so either way I'm still excited for it. There's a lot of people who haven't even played Kingdom Hearts that said they're gonna pick it up, so good luck to all of you. If you could only taste one thing for the rest of your life, what would it be? Squid juice. Or squid egg. Ew, squid juice. Squid juice. Have you ever tried eating your booger? No, but I can try. Oh, tastes like chicken. Fook, marry, kill with any Kingdom Hearts characters by Lauren. Sleeping with, it's a tie between Terra and Aqua. I don't know. Who's ever willing to give me a high five and let's just go for a quickie 5 minutes, alright? Kill, why not Xehanort? Because everyone's waiting for that anyway. Marry, I don't know, the sea salt ice cream in my hand? I don't know. Can you make me a sandwich? Can you make me some ice cream? Preferably sea salt flavored? What world would you want to see the most that they haven't done yet for Kingdom Hearts? Also, would you want Sora to be in Smash Bros? I've already answered the Smash Bros one, and I'd probably like to see Atlantis the Lost Empire. I think that's all the questions I'm gonna answer for this video, guys. Thanks for sending those in. And also to Kokon. They're the ones who sent me the Eat a Bag in the first place, and check that out. Lights beautifully up in the dark. You know what? After I finish this, I think I just picked up a new hobby, guys. I kind of really like eat-a-bagging because it's something that you can sort of make your own. You just have to save up enough money and use your creativity, and whatever you make, no one can really copy it. It's just kind of a blank canvas. Oh, and as far as the merch that I used, guys, a lot of it was actually bought at a convention I just attended at, but I'm going to do my very best to find their Etsy account so that I can link them in the description below, just for any of you that are interested in getting them. So let me know, what do you guys think of the bag? Good? Yes? Maybe? No? So? I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!